Hello everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Mint and today we are going to transform one LOL doll confetti pop into one of the characters from the series Zombies. I'm really excited about this tutorial, and we are gonna take one ball from the box and we are going to transform this beautiful doll, anything that we get here, into one of the characters from Zombies.
What?
So join me in my adventure! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you know when my new video is up. Eee! Unboxing. This is a secret message. Let me know in the comments what do you think this means. Wow! Second layer. This is a sticker. Ooh. Next layer. This is the tattoo. These are the instructions. And now let's open the doors. First door. The bottle. I love it so much. Look at the colors. This should be the shoes. Roller skates. Love it. This is the clothes. I love it so much. I love the t-shirt. It's something I will definitely wear. Come here. What are you doing? Okay. Let's pop this beauty in 3, 2, 1. Something happened. Let's see. Okay, a little bit of a technical difficulties. Let's see what we have here. A headband. Awesome. And now the doll. Ooh, beautiful. I love her. I love you. So this happy family is going to start. She is going to be the very first zombie LOL of this series. So I hope you like it and let's continue. Now let's shake it off a little bit. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. We're gonna play. Wow, so beautiful. She's super cute. For this tutorial, we are gonna borrow Teacher's pet outfit because it's perfect for her. But if you don't have it, don't worry, you can always use whatever you got with the doll. Whee! For the hairstyle, we are gonna cut the ponytails. I'm so sorry about this part. I know a lot of you don't like it, but here we go. For the hair, we need clay and the doll. And the first thing we're gonna do is to cover the holes. When you have something like this, we are gonna take a little bit more of clay and we are gonna start forming the hairstyle. Follow me. For the hairstyle, I like to have a really thin piece of clay. Next, we are gonna cut each side. We are gonna add this piece to the doll to start forming the hairstyle. We are gonna place the clay make it as even as possible. The hairstyle is pretty simple. She has straight hair, so we are just gonna cut a straight line here and a straight line here. We are gonna leave the bangs because, well, there's nothing we can do about it. She's gonna be beautiful anyways. She's looking so cute already. I love it. With a little bit of blue, let's paint the eyes. Now with black acrylic paint. With black, we are gonna paint the eyes and make them pretty. When you have something like this, you're gonna add 1 dot of white acrylic paint to each eye and one little one to make it cute, like so. So pretty. For the hair, I'm going to paint the bangs white so we can have a better base for the yellow. Let's paint the dress white. Let's paint the eyebrows brown. I made really big eyebrows because she has it like that and I like it. Now we are gonna paint the hair yellow. Now we are ready to paint the dress pink. With a little bit of brown acrylic paint, we're gonna add some roots. When you have something as sparkly as this, you are gonna paint the bottom part of the dress green and also the top. And now we just need to add a small beautiful ribbon to one side of her hair. And we are done. Are you ready for the final reveal? Here it comes! So beautiful, I love her. I love the ribbon and I love the glitter in her dress. I love it so much. I don't know if I like this part of the hair too much. You don't need to do it if you don't want to, but I just wanted to make something a little bit more realistic. But I love it so much. What do you think about this doll? Let me know in the comments. And this is the final result. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I love it so much. If you like my content, don't forget to leave a really big like and a comment down below with ideas for new videos. I love your ideas and all your comments. They are awesome because you are awesome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be part of the beautiful Mint family. I love you a lot. Mint out. Mwah. See you soon.